Welcome to a brief video covering the Beaverton School District Nutrition Services Uniform Policy. The purpose of our uniform policy is to ensure good personal hygiene, safety, sanitation, and professional appearance for nutrition services staff. This allows us to effectively prepare and serve nutritious food to fuel our students' learning and achieve academic success. Employees should start each shift with clean, pressed clothes that are free of stains or tears and have no missing buttons. All garments should fit staff properly, provide adequate coverage, and look flattering. Proper foundation garments improve the professional appearance of staff. They should be of neutral color, so as to minimize their visibility through other garments. Let's go into a little more detail about what this policy looks like in practice. Shirts worn by kitchen staff should have a sleeve length of 1/4 to full length. To ensure food and operational safety, full-length sleeves must be rolled or pushed up so that they stay at 3/4 length while working. There are a few shirt characteristics that are not permitted as part of the uniform policy. Shirts cannot be sleeveless or have flowing sleeves. They cannot have open shoulders or backs. Shirts cannot have a deep or low-cut necklines or be made of sheer or see-through material. Shirts with logos, pictures, and/or sayings are welcome, so long as they are appropriate for schools. It is the policy of nutrition services that kitchen staff may wear any white or colored bottom in the choices of pants, capris, Bermuda shorts, skirts, or skirts. Jeans are included as an acceptable item of clothing to be worn in kitchens. However, jeans must not have any rips, holes, or tears. There are some bottoms that are not allowed to be worn in kitchens. Yoga pants, athletic pants, sweatpants, jeggings, leggings, or bike shorts are not allowed. This is to ensure the safety of staff as they go about their work in our school kitchens. Bermuda shorts, skirts, or skirts are allowed, so long as the knee length or no more than 2 inches above the knee when standing. It is important that all clothing be free of any rips, holes, or tears. Aprons are another important and required part of our kitchen staff uniform. The aprons provided to staff may not be altered in any way. NS staff are provided up to 5 black aprons when they are hired. Please speak to your supervisor if you are in need of new aprons. Proper apron usage is critical to ensure food safety. Nutrition services staff must remove and store their apron in a sanitary location when leaving the kitchen. Staff should talk to the kitchen lead at their site if they need help to identify a proper location for apron storage. Staff are expected to launder their own aprons, arriving for their shift each day with a clean apron. Nutrition Services provides all kitchen staff with an annual shoe stipend of $125. Shoe stipends are provided to staff in their September paychecks. Nutrition Services staff are responsible for purchasing kitchen shoes that meet several requirements to uphold kitchen safety standards. Perhaps the most important shoe characteristic is that they carry a manufacturer's statement of a slip-resistant sole. Slipping in the kitchen is one of the most common work-related injuries, and it is of the utmost importance that staff have proper footwear for their safety. The upper portion of approved shoes should be constructed of water-resistant leather or water-resistant synthetic material. They should also be durable enough to protect the foot from injury from any dropped objects or spilled liquids. Shoes may not be constructed of mesh fabric. They cannot have any holes, whether by design or wear and tear. Shoes must have a closed toe and closed heel. The heel height of a shoe cannot be more than 2 inches for clog-type styles, and no more than 1.5 inches in heel height for all other shoe styles. Finally, approved kitchen shoes must be constructed with no more than 1/2-inch exposure or elastic sides. This concludes our training on the Nutrition Services Uniform Policy. If you have any questions now or in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out to your supervisor. Thank you.